Okay, we are doing this in one take. 10,000 subscribers. Man, if I could say thank you to 10,000 people 10,000 times, I would. Just thank you guys so much. This has been something that I've wanted to, this has been a milestone, a goal of mine since I started YouTube. Back in, I believe it was 2018 is when I started YouTube. I had just come off of like ending one season of my life and starting a new season of my life, and beginning YouTube was a sort of like healthy creative outlet for me, and it has grown and evolved into a really awesome hobby. It was like a passion that I never knew that I had, and I'm so grateful and glad that I discovered it and that I've been doing it. It's certainly been hard. There definitely have been times where I've doubted myself, where I've wanted to quit, where I've been embarrassed and thought, man, like, you know, people are gonna think I'm stupid because I'm making videos and like I'm just a normal person. Like, what do I have to offer anybody else as far as like, you know, entertainment or you know, education or, you know, instruction with like the truck stuff and stuff like that. Actually, fun fact, my YouTube channel started off as like a fitness channel, and like you know, it has evolved into something much different from that. But just thank you guys so much, everybody who has supported me along the way. Some crazy stuff has happened, you know, like I've changed careers, I've moved you know, really far away. I've been in an accident that certainly should have been way worse than it actually was, and you guys have been there this entire time, leaving positive comments, you know, sending your prayers and your energy towards me and my wife and our family, and I'm just so grateful to all of you out there. I can't say thank you enough. And I want to say, I said earlier, you know, there have been times where I doubted myself and I wanted to quit and I wanted to give up. If it's important to you, if what you're doing is something that you're passionate about, that you care about, like, who gives a rip what somebody else might think? If you guys take anything away from this, it's just don't ever quit. Don't ever give up on something that you want to do. It's always worth it when you get to moments like what I'm having right now, where I finally reached that 10,000 subscriber milestone. It's worth it, 100%. And it's something that nobody can ever take away from you. Your hard work, your accomplishments, your achievements, nobody can ever take that away from you. It doesn't matter if they hated you along the way, and they hated you even when you got to your goal. Like, it's worth it. Don't ever give up. If it's important to you, if it's something you care about, if it's something you're passionate about, go out and do it. Don't worry, this isn't at all the end by any means. This channel is going to continue to grow and evolve. I've got some really cool stuff actually sitting in a couple Amazon boxes out on my kitchen table right now that I'm really excited to show you guys. But I just wanted to take this little bit of time when everything's still kind of fresh and the emotions are still raw and still kind of happening in my head right now, just to say thank you. It was a really cool moment to be able to open up my phone and see, here, I'm gonna pull it up right now. It was a really cool moment. I was actually at work, so I couldn't really like celebrate in any way, because one, I was at work, and two, nobody at work knows anything like about my YouTube channel. But it was really cool to be able to take my phone out and look and see that I was over the 10,000 subscriber mark. So thank you guys so much for all your support so far, and I really look forward to seeing where we go from here. Thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys on the next video. See ya.